Hey guys, it's 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿 back at it again with another cybersecurity breakdown. Today, we're tackling a head-scratcher for aspiring defenders, CEH versus Security Plus. Which cert will unlock your hacking potential or build a rock-solid security foundation? Let's crack the code. The battlefield, your career goals. First things first, where are you in your cyber journey? Are you a newbie eager to understand the security landscape, or a seasoned pro honing your offensive skills?
This vendor-neutral gem is your cybersecurity bootcamp. Think broad knowledge covering fundamentals like network security, cryptography, and incident response. No prior experience needed, just enthusiasm.
Buckle up, ethical hackers. This cert dives deep into the dark side of the force, teaching you the tricks and tools used by ethical hackers. Penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and even exploit development. You'll be speaking ethical hacker fluently in no time.
Think of it as a security buffet. You get to know everything from firewalls to malware, giving you a well-rounded perspective. Great for entry-level jobs and understanding the bigger picture.
This is laser-focused training for aspiring ethical hackers. You'll become a master of hacking methodologies, tools, and exploit techniques. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your skills for good.
More theory, less practice. Think textbooks and lectures, building a strong foundation before getting your hands into it.
Get ready to roll up your sleeves and ethically hack. Labs, simulations, and real-world scenarios will test your skills and prepare you for the battlefield.
Your entry ticket to the security world. Widely recognized and a plus for any resume, it opens doors to diverse security roles from analyst to technician.
This badge screams ethical hacker extraordinaire. Perfect for penetration testers, security consultants, and anyone who wants to be on the offensive side of cybersecurity.
There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Security Plus is your foundation. CEH is your specialization. If you're starting out, build your base with Security Plus. If you're ready to unleash your inner hacker, CEH is your calling. Or, why not conquer both? A well-rounded security pro is a force to be reckoned with. So, what's your next move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep your digital presence safe.